The base of a pyramid is a rectangle with a length of 3 centimeters and a width of 6 centimeters. If the height of the pyramid is 12 centimeters, what is the volume of the pyramid in cubic centimeters? We're going to set up a T-chart. So we have rectangle and we have pyramid. So the rectangle is area equals base times height. Pyramid is volume equals 1/3 big B times height. So it says the pyramid has a length of 3 and a width of 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So we're going to say 1/3 times 18, and the height of the pyramid is 12. We're going to simplify the diagonal. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And then we have 12 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 72. So we have 72 centimeters cubed. B. Okay, let's look at number 2. On number 2, it says Zeke uses a tent like the one shown to go camping with friends. The tent is 7 feet tall, 10 feet wide, and 12 feet long. How many cubic feet of space is contained in Zeke's tent? We're going to set up a T-chart, and we're going to have triangle on the left and prism on the right. So triangle is area equals 1/2 base times height. Prism is volume equals big B times height. So the triangle is 1/2 times 10 times 7. Okay, we're going to simplify the diagonal. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, so then we're going to say 35 times 12. Two times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Put a placeholder. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. We added up. We got 0, 12, 4. We have 420 feet cubed. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. Okay, on number 3, it says the Science Museum has a terrarium in the shape of a triangular pyramid. The dimensions of the terrarium are shown below. What is the volume of the terrarium? So we are going to do a T-chart. We're going to have triangle, and we're going to have pyramid. So area equals 1/2 base times height. Pyramid is volume equals 1/3 big B times height. So on the triangle, we have 1/2 times 8 times 6. We're going to simplify the diagonal. We got 1. We got 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Then we're going to do 1/3 times 24 times the height of the pyramid, which is 12. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Then we're going to do 12 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 96. So we have 96 feet cubed. Okay, question number 4. On question number 4, a rectangular prism has a base area of 56 square feet and a volume of 840 cubic feet. The length of the base is longer than the width. If the sum of the length and the width of the base is equal to the height of the pyramid, what is the length of the base in feet? So we're going to do a T-chart. We have a rectangle, prism. So the rectangle is area equals base times height, and the prism is volume equals big B times height. So it says the base area is 56. So all of this is 56. And we have a volume of 840. So 840 equals 56 H. So we're going to do 840 divided by 56. So we're going to go in there one time. We're going to borrow 8 times. And then we're going to go in there 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 3 is 28. So we have a height of 15. Okay, and it says the length of the base is longer than the width. And it says what is the length of the base. So and it also says the sum of the length is to the height. So if we said 7 times 8, the longer one, the base is longer than the width, so it would be 8. And if you did 7 plus 8, it would get you 15. So we're looking at 8. All right, let's take a look at number 5. On number 5, it says a rectangular shipping box is 12 inches wide, 18 inches long, and 24 inches tall. How many cubic feet does the box hold? So we have rectangular, prism. So we have area equals base times height. Prism is volume equals big B times H, height of the prism. So we have 12 by 18. So 18 times 12. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Placeholder, we got 8, 1. Added up, we got 6, 11, 2. So we have 216. And then we have 216 times 24. All right, so 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Put a placeholder. 2 times 6 is 12. And 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. We add it all up. We get 4, 8, 11, 5. Okay. But it wants it in feet. So what we can do from here is we could start over.
Hi,
Okay, let's do that again, but let's do it in feet. So we're going to have rectangle, and we're going to have prism. All right, so if we're talking about rectangle, its area equals base times height, and prism is volume equals big B times H. So if we turn 12 inches into feet, it would be 1 foot. If we turned 18 inches into feet, it'd be 18. 12 can go into 18 once. We subtract decimal, decimal, 0. We got 1.5. So 1 times 1.5 is 1.5. And then we're going to do 1.5. And then we have 24. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So we have 1.5 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 1d plus 0d is 1d. So we have 3 feet cubed, d.